Hey guys, it's Daniel Funke from the International Fact-Checking Network here at Pointer. And on today's episode of Check It, we're talking about how to verify social media videos, which can give fact-checkers bigger headaches than images or articles. Among all the types of media that fact-checkers debunk, video is among the hardest. It isn't easily searchable, there's no good way to see when it goes viral online, and it's really easy for people to use artificial intelligence to manipulate them. So what should fact-checkers do when they see questionable content go viral? Bellingcat's Christian Trebert has some ideas.
When doing video verification, there are some very easy tricks to immediately figure out whether a video is old or new. What I'm going to do is basically take a screenshot from a frame of the video which highlights a specific incident. What we're looking for is the moment where there are some strikes visible. So I'm scrolling through, we can see a strike here, and then this. This is what I'm going to take a screenshot of. If I do a reverse image search, like images.google, I click here on the search by image icon and I can upload the image. And what Google does for me is basically looking for visually similar images. Obviously here we get results already from Syria, but if this is a live event, we may think, okay, this seems to be right. But if I use Yandex, and it's the exact same way, I'll upload the photo. And now it's starting to get interesting because we can immediately see all the results are related to, well, somebody says Donetsk, somebody says Luhansk, and we can just open some of the links. And we can see the upload date, and we can actually see this is from February 2015. And if we open the video, we can see that white thing on the left, which is like probably the balcony. We can see it's the exact same video, and we can see the exact same strikes. Amnesty International developed a really cool tool for doing this with YouTube videos. So it's doing the exact same process what I just did, and it's called the YouTube DataViewer. So basically it allows you to search with thumbnails of the video.
Of course, sometimes the simplest fact-checking tips don't always work when you're dealing with a complex, manipulated video or one taken outside of context. For that, there's a range of free online tools that can help make your job a little easier.
Another important thing to do is, like, if nothing shows up with the reverse image search, is trying to geolocate the video. So one thing to do it is just looking for anything in visual clue. It can be street signs, can be license plates of cars. You can use Google Street View or Google Maps to see, hey, is this indeed the same location where people say it is? You can use different tools, for example, something like SunCalc, if it's a sunny day, to see, hey, is the time of the day that was mentioned correct? We first need to know where a video was taken, and we need to know an approximate time of the day. We can slide the bar here, or basically the sun, on top here, and we can say, okay, it's today, or we can go back in time. Let's say it's a video from a year ago, 1st of April 2017, and we can see exactly what the direction of the sun was.
That's all for now, but you can find more video fact-checking tips at factcheckingday.com. And stay tuned next month for another short tutorial to help make you a better fact-checker. Until next time, I'm Daniel Funke.